we are making a flower bed. Here. And there. A little bit over there. Essentially, it's going to be 2 flower boxes. Jordan has all the plans because I don't plan. And then there's going to be an archway here. Flower box, archway, flower box. I'm going to dig up some of this, try to flatten it out. She's going to go to start on the wood stuff. Hopefully this is working. I got a sound sock thing for that. But we're just going to try to video it and wong it. Cows. Look at the cows. Tractor. You could put it in the tractor.
That would be a solution.
I think that would be the solution.
I don't know. Not be entertaining.
Alright. Flat-ish.
Yeah.
Okay. Part.
It's like a tiny piece of wire. I don't know how it could not be lined.
Because I can't get over the top. I think we just shovel her in.
And by circle around it, you mean just like
Recording.
yeah, it's still recording.
You just go around it once. Like an inch away.
Okay, we have one
Why
more
are you so close
to do.
back?
No, we want to do one more time. we don't know anything about gardening, so I read this book that talks about square foot gardening, and that's what we did. And we made a little grid. You can see of what we planted. So hopefully we don't waste any space or waste any resources. So this is how it's laid out. From this corner here, over there, and then this is where our arch is. We have all of our climbing vine plants in the middle, and then everything else laid around the side. It doesn't look like a lot right now because it's mostly seeds.
At least you got some to transplant so it looks like a garden right away.